Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck.
Choose the correct noun. Her sudden absence shocked the entire office. Choose the correct pronoun. Each of the boys brought his own lunch. Choose the adjective. It was an extremely gripping movie. What is the past tense of spin? Past tense of spin is spun. What is the simple future of improve? The simple future of improve is will improve. Nice start. Jot down your score and keep going. What does hesitant most nearly mean? Hesitant most nearly means unsure. What's the opposite of rigid? Opposite of rigid is flexible. Choose the correct preposition. He apologized for the mistake. Pick the right phrasal verb. We need to sort out this problem quickly. What does beat around the bush mean? Beat around the bush means avoid the main point. 10 quizzes passed. Keep your focus. Pick the right article. She is a university lecturer. Choose the correct subject-verb agreement. The number of employees is increasing. What is the correct answer? They plan to renovate the building. Choose the correct modal verb. You must finish this by today. What is the correct passive voice form? The roof was repaired. Nice momentum. Keep going. What is the right causative? He made his assistant send the files. Choose the correct collocation. A significant improvement was seen. Pick the right relative clause. The house where we stayed was old. What is the right conditional? If she studied harder, she would pass. Choose the right reported speech form. She said she would help me. You're doing well. Keep that streak alive and stay focused for the last half. What does candid most nearly mean? Candid most nearly means truthful. Pick the right connector. He left early because he was feeling unwell. Choose the right subjunctive. I suggest that she arrive early. Pick the right inversion. Never have I seen such kindness before. Choose the uncountable noun. Please give me some advice. What is the correct quantifier? There are several reasons to believe you. Pick the right comparative. This solution is more effective than the previous one. Pick the right superlative. He is the most experienced member of the group. Choose the right tag question. She rarely eats meat, does she? Pick the right word form. Please fasten your seatbelt. Final third, 10 questions left. Keep going and finish strong. Pick the phrasal verb. We had to call off the match. What is the opposite of transparent? Opposite of transparent is opaque. What is the synonym of diligent? A synonym for diligent is hardworking. Choose the right past participle. Past participle of bite is bitten. Choose the future continuous tense. I will be working at 9 p.m. Pick the right modal. You should have sent the email earlier. Pick the right passive form. Results are expected soon. What is the right collocation? A joint effort is required. What is the meaning of on cloud 9? On cloud 9 means extremely happy. Final check, which sentence is correct? Nobody knows the answer.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.